Every single day, I used to scroll TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. These apps make you compare yourself to others, and my dopamine system was fried, bro. I was miserable and not at peace. I used to get irritated over small things. My mind was restless, my focus was destroyed. But now, I don't even open those apps anymore because they disgust me. My life's peaceful, calm, and real again. I can sit quietly without a phone, no noise, and actually feel amazing. So, how did I get here? In this video, I'll show you the exact 3 steps to quit social media. These are not the usual digital detox tips. These are the hidden gems that most never talk about, but they actually work. So, let's begin. First step to quitting social media. This is crucial to understand and apply if you actually want to quit social media successfully. So it is this. Think of your mind like an iceberg. The small part that you can see above the water, that's your conscious mind. That's where you decide to quit social media, set goals, and make promises to yourself. But underneath the surface is your subconscious mind, the massive part of the iceberg that actually controls you. That's where your urges, fears, and justifications live. So when you say I will quit TikTok, your conscious mind means it. But your subconscious says watching TikTok is okay. Just 5 more minutes won't hurt. Or your subconscious mind says everyone else is on TikTok, so it's fine. That's why most people relapse. They try quit using willpower. But willpower is just the tip of the iceberg. Real change happens when you dig deeper and tackle and process the subconscious root cause reasons you actually watch social media and start understanding the part of you that's actually pulling you back. By the way, if you want my one-on-one help to apply shadow work to your specific situation so you can quit social media, click the link in the description. Anyways, when you have done proper shadow work, then we can move to step 2, and that is this. Imagine there are 2 types of person. Let's name them. There's person A and there's person B. Both are trying to quit social media, but person A still identifies as someone who is a social media consumer. So even if he tries to quit for like 3 or 4 days, he gets back on the social media because he still identifies as someone who watches social media. But what about person B? Person B is also trying to quit social media, but he does not identify himself as someone who is a social media consumer. He sees himself free from social media. Tell me which person will quit social media more easily long term. It's obviously person B, who does not identify himself as a social media consumer. You know why? Because studies show that your behavior acts in alignment with the identity that you identify with. So identity shifting is crucial if you actually want to quit social media. Which brings me to step 3, which is also very important if you actually want to quit social media successfully. And I'm going to explain it. Imagine a person who never ate a delicious mango. People are telling him, "Hey bro, go eat that mango." But he says, "No, I'm not going to eat a mango because I don't think they're delicious." Until one day comes and he actually tries the mango, and it suddenly becomes his favorite food. And then he says, "I'm gonna eat a mango every day." It's the same with quitting social media. If you've never quit social media for a good amount of time, you may think quitting is not fun. Life will be boring. You will miss out on the world by quitting social media. But once you quit social media for a good time, happiness and peace that you will feel will be far greater than consuming social media. And once you've felt it, you will say, "I'm happy that I'm not consuming social media anymore." And that's what happened with me. I quit social media. And the peace that I felt, I compared it to the misery that I felt in those TikTok watching days. And I'm like, yo, I ain't going back, bruh. I'm only gonna watch YouTube long form, which is way better than short form and brain rot content. But quitting all those social media apps like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, it takes time. And honestly, for most people, it's very hard to do alone. But it can be so much easier if you do it with someone. So if you want my one-on-one help to apply these proven systems to your specific situation and give you accountability, so you can quit social media for good successfully, then by clicking the link below, you can join my 8-week program where I will personally hold your hand through the journey of quitting social media for 8 weeks so you can finally quit social media for good. There are only 10 spots remaining, link in the description. And if you want to know the 3 proofs that you actually don't want to scroll, then watch this video next. And have a good day.